If we X and then a ball. Why does people think down? Okay, let's just do this. And okay, I just need to learn how to use the tools. Yeah.
Staircase up to heaven. I'm going to heaven. No.
And he died.
The boy jumped over the door.
Oh no. I fell right back into the house. I'm sweating so much. I can't control it. It's like an ocean right now. Just get me up. Please. Yes. I just want to go to heaven.
Stay.
Alright, I'm out. I'm never coming back there again. Let's go. Fly.
Let's go.
Why so high? Oh, I should press a lever. I'm floating. Yes.
No.
Yes.
Okay, then I just
I'm going to heaven.
No, let me go back. Let's go back up.
So much. I can't control it. It's like an ocean right
No,
now.
go back to
Just
the
get me up.
none of my own business. Going up, just going up, just going up, go up. Don't actually go play dog.
Getting so much. I can't control it. It's like an ocean right
Oh, the video you were trying to make. Wow.
Wait, you're drawing with me?
Yeah.
No, I quit.
Like dog is an easy thing to say.
No, I quit.
No, like the video got deleted.
Yeah, I know that. But why did you put the game on the name dog? Wait, can you just call it Ben, Mr. Ben, or something? So why not? You should pick dog. Wait, why dog? I know he's a dog. Please tell me we are not in the server that picks boss. No, we are dead. We are dead. I'm just gonna friend you.
We're playing.
I'm trusting you. It's not letting me friend you. Not letting me friend you.
Oh,
Can you friend me?
I'll try to.
No.
Okay, let me do that now. I see you already. Okay, now try to accept it.
It's not here.
Oh my god, he got spawned right in front.
Cause you were spawned in right in front of him.
That is not fair. Why did they spawn me there in the first place?
I don't know. So wait, move already. Raging.
Bruh. Oh my god, now he's following us.
Someone see if you rage or not.
Bruh, what are you doing?
It don't.
Oh my god.
They
Move
don't
the other
miss
way.
the taser. Bro, don't miss the taser. No, don't you.
Wait, did they miss?
Yeah, they did.
Oh my god.
They're so bad.
This other picture, I don't know.
Come over here. Come over here.
Why
It's
are you
fire.
standing there?
I'm not
Move.
gonna save somebody again.
And this picture. Oh my god.
Why do you read him to me?
Blind.
Why do you read him to me?
What am I doing?
A boy should read them to me. He wants Ben to get off him. No, get off of me now. I have to
He's
get some.
getting- Okay, you opened the basement. Great.
Sorry. Not my
Bro,
fault.
are y'all gonna follow him? Are you gonna follow me to make him come down here?
No.
Okay.
Tase already.
Wait.
Tase.
This-
Tase.
Oh, this is awesome. Great. I can go. Okay. What's going on here? Ryan, keep on calling. Okay, someone open the bathroom.
Tase. Tase.
Wait, are
Tap
you
to
have
tase.
the taser or
No.
you're telling someone else to tase?
Yes. Someone else.
I think they don't have. Oh, it's this person.
Yeah, I'm telling them to tase.
I
Tase.
had that avatar one time on my other account, alt account.
How many accounts you gonna make?
Oh wow.
Oh no, now you were showing.
I don't care. I just want to.
I don't care if I'm young.
But you hate them.
Okay, I know where this goes. Front door. Is the coast clear?
Oh,
Bro,
yes.
we just jumped. Okay, good. Bro, what are you doing?
It's not letting me get coins anymore.
Where's Benji? I
Benji.
think he went in the basement.
I go check.
Oh, that's what the wrench is for.
What is a bot here?
To make it bad. It's just like in that pig game. Put Piggy in there as a bot. It's so hard.
No, this is already hard.
Okay, this
Don't
is
know
similar.
where we are.
This is similar like Piggy.
Yeah.
Right? There it is. Max coin.
Jingo.
What happened? Am I the last one?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Die! Oh my gosh. I thought
You did that to the first. But I'm like,
we
no.
lost.
No, somebody escaped.
Oh wait, what? Well, good for them.
Player. Do player. Jane, do player.
Okay, I'm gonna pick. Someone's trying to do radio station.
No, Jane,
Player.
do player. Please, don't pick Bob. Please, please.
Bye. Oh, I'm just kidding.
No.
Just kidding again.
Please stop. Stop. No.
Wait, she already voted. Oh, that don't count.
Boss.
Who is it? Is it me? Oh wait,
No.
I'm back behind him. Okay, I see myself. I am moving. They spawned me right in my spot. You little game, you are cheating. You're making me die.
Why do you reset, boy?
He
God.
didn't want to suffer this.
Ah!
He was like, you know what? I am not suffering this today.
Are
Today,
you a
I'm
player?
leaving. You know we need a blue key. And you have the blue key. Open it.
Who have the taser?
And you went on top.
Who have the taser?
Look at you guys.
I
He's
have the
down. And he's up here. Let's go down. And where did everyone go? Oh wait, y'all opened it.
Me, I have a taser.
Oh wait, I need to leave. Boing. Wait, what? Oh, now he's downstairs.
Perfect shot.
Oh, you tased him?
Yes.
Well, at least you're the only one who can actually not miss.
Yeah.
Where is he? Oh, he's still downstairs.
Yeah. He woken up. Let's get.
Wait, where is he?
I don't know.
Oh, he's still downstairs. Well, I'm stuck. Wait, you actually hit. Nice shot.
Thank you.
Haha. You opened the bathroom. He sounds like Santa.
Yeah.
Oh.
Can we call
Oh my
him?
God, this black username person is actually opening a lot of doors.
Yeah.
They're actually doing good.
Like, we are
Who's
lazy.
that person?
I-
Oh, there's this person. You're actually doing good.
Why do you have the taser? Give me the taser. You are so bad at
Wait,
it.
who has it? Oh, it's black. Oh, wait, no. It's the yellow up top.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you are so doing good. This boy with the black name. White, yellow, please. Wait, that. Oh wait, he's here. I dodged him.
Why do you have it now?
To me?
Why do you drop the
What are y'all doing? Everyone run.
Why did you drop the trash can? Yes, you did. The trash can is dropped.
Wait, red key. What is that? He has opened the end. Let's go.
You have to dodge him.
Dodge. And I made it. Good for me.
Where are
Let's check on Tim.
Tim? Oh no! Don't.
Isn't that part 2?
Yeah.
I got lots of money.
No! People doing bot. People
I'm gonna
doing.
pick player.
We already did.
I got teleported.
We are doing part 2.
I don't know.
I didn't let you pick turtle.
Jarfield. Or is that Ginger?
No, it's not.
Wait,
No.
there we go. I mean unfair.
No, it's
Are you
not.
doing that? This?
He's saying it's unfair. He's saying player is unfair. But
Bot is unfair. What are you talking about?
I think those
sorry.
one's wrong. I think it's bot.
How did Benji fall in here?
Do you-
I know. He's a stalker. Hello, Coco Mama. Is this door open? Oh, Junita. And then after that. Wow, he's already opened the door. Oh my god, he's here. He's up
Coco
here.
Mama, what?
The girl with the lavender hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Juke. Then you
I
went.
think this game has to open more doors.
Juke.
Oh my god, what?
Juke.
What?
I was trying to
You're
juke
dead.
him. I was trying to make him juke. Juke.
Pokemon, you missed. Oh my god, he's up here, actually.
Juke.
I,
Juke. I
you're
pick
gonna
him.
have to, you're gonna have to distract them.
Yeah.
No.
I'm the one who's right.
Wait, you only need a gray key for this. For that door.
I will
For
pick
the
him.
end.
I was trying to. Why I'm crossing?
How very easy.
I distracted him. He's taking me.
Stop saying ho ho ho, you're not Santa.
Yeah,
And I
dude.
found this.
Do you think you Santa? No, no, no. I saved a boy wife. Me congratulating me.
Oh, come on.
Why I'm crossing?
Why is this Pokemon girl crouching? Are you okay? Where is she hiding?
What
Why is
about-
everyone here?
What about cats? I know, Tom.
Oh,
You mean TNT?
why do you need that for?
Why do you mean a TNT for?
For.
Oh, I'm talking about TNT.
How about I hit you with this?
What? Wait, what?
I hit him with this. Oh my god, and he's
You
here.
Gyro. Guys, maybe it's
Go.
done. I don't know. Did somebody already use it?
No. Oh, I can't unequip this. I have to get something else. Red key for something else.
I have a rhyme key in my inventory.
Black lock.
I'm juking him.
There's a black lock.
Guys, I'm gonna go upstairs and juke him. Okay?
Oh, the white key goes in here.
Guys, run for your life!
That was outside. I'm gonna go back down. Wait, this wrong way. Here it is. Here it is.
Stop chasing me!
I think this was a black key in here.
Stop chasing
Wait,
me!
I think I should-
I'm trying to save your life.
Wait, no, this is a...
He's
Oh no, you died.
The boy made me die. The boy made me die.
Which one? The one with the username named Black? Or is it movie star?
Yes, it's black.
Oh, he's the one who's been opening a lot of doors.
He killed.
He's good at this game.
But he was standing still a lot, making me have to go back and forth. That's why I died.
But I'm gonna put the black key again. What it? Oh. Oh, it's full. I can't pick any coins anymore.
I died. I couldn't even pick anything. I was trying to save the day. But I
my
guess
God.
no.
What are you doing?
I hate this bot.
Yeah, go to the studio.
And yes, I know it's a bot.
It's a bot?
Yes.
Oh my god, that's even worse.
So everyone's here.
They're here?
Yeah, everyone's alive in here. Yeah, I'm the only one dead. And why I'm crouching? Yeah, good
I
one.
dodged you. Silly dog.
Don't need to sign a white key.
Now he's trying to follow me. Dodge. Oh.
Don't need to sign a white key. Don't need to sign a white key. Don't sign a white key. White key, white key.
Oh my gosh. Where is he? He's following us still. Oh my god. What?
When I was alive, everyone would
Oh,
be
he's not following me
okay.
anymore.
When
Now
I was
he's going
alive,
upstairs for some reason.
when I was alive, everyone would be fine,
Where is
right?
it? It's going upstairs.
You cannot go over there.
Ben is going upstairs.
Why a lot of people going downstairs then?
I don't know, he randomly going up. Wait, there's,
Why aren't you crossing?
there's a note. I'm gonna read it. Hope they don't check the lab. Tim.
Oh, Tim dropped. Made it.
Why did you vote?
Don't go like telling people. Wait, why did Tom not telling those?
You missed.
See, when I was around,
Hi.
it's only Coco, Black, and it's yellow. Yeah, we were the only ones died. Cause I was alive, everything will be fine, right? Cause I was ratting down very good.
Freaking out. No.
But Black make me die. Cause I have to go back and forth to get a dog. I don't know. Oh, for the shop. Shop. How many I have?
You can't read. Alright, to find keys, use radar to help you escape and find more items. Radar, see where the enemy is located for a duration of time. Run around your enemies and find keys faster with a boost of speed. Silent mode, move.
People are not saying good things anymore. Yeah.
Trap. Nice.
So are you playing a different ball game?
I don't know.
Those. Oh my god.
Wait, how are we gonna know how many we have enough coins? How is? Oh, I see now.
Star, Tempest, Lisa, Noah, Dan, Ghost, Jack, and Killers.
Black and movie stars only on the line.
They're still.
Yeah.
Oh, movies are still alive and Black. Oh, Pokemon died.
Yeah. I guess we are not alone anymore. Cause I was trying to spectate Ben, but I like don't spectate a Ben. Ben is a bot. Okay, I was to pick on coining. Black escape. Movie star escape.
Oh, he escaped.
Yeah,
Well, wait, what about Black?
made it too.
Okay. Why is it so dark? Oh, now it's lighting. I'm not finished recording.
You stop recording?
Oh my gosh, what is happening? What am I doing wrong?
Two players. No, two
I'm
players.
recording.
Yeah, it stopped.
Why is everything so
Stop.
peaceful and yellow, but there's so many scary things? I just want to get through this like this and like that and like this. How did I do that? I was kind of pro that, if I say so myself. Drop. Yes.
It's bot again.
I did it.
Oh my gosh, we don't want to do bot.
I made it. What's this? This laser's. Is it really unexpected? Is it?
What?
Wait. I made it! What's this? This is a dash.
What happened? Oh, it's with the up. With my keyboard.
Hi there.
Oh my god.
Right.
Went the other way.
Because it's a funny game. Funny game. I did it! Yes! This is construction.
Okay, we have to go back to Roblox.
Nice. Drop.
Oh my god, now he's following us.
It's disappearing really quickly. No.
But let's just end it here. Bye, guys.